So haven't made a video in a while. But basically, I decided I'm gonna get rid of the 7. Try to trade it or sell it right now. My main goal is to try to get like a CRV, since you see that, like, I've filmed a lot more like off-road stuff currently. I'm still gonna like build stuff in the like future, but my plan currently is to get like a CRV. One, because I can off-road it. It's 4-door for me and my son and my wife and all that. It's Honda motor, so easy little modification. I don't plan to do too much with it, so it'll be perfect. I won't say exactly what I have planned for it yet till I get close to it, so I don't kind of mess myself up with it. Another thing is I want another Civic project. I'm still thinking of what kind I want. Besides like an off-roading thing, like the main project that I'm wanting to do, that I've intentionally made the channel for. I'm still deciding on which kind. If I want a CB7 Accord coupe, or if I want an EF sedan. That's one I'm also considering, or possibly an EG or an EK hatch. I do plan to possibly, obviously, motor swap. Don't know what motor. Much basically it with that. Selling the 7, unfortunately. It's unfinished project, but it's not exactly what I want. It was kind of impulsive buy at the time. I was gonna build the EG hatch with a B18 into it. I had the cast iron turbo manifold. I had the head all disassembled, ready for the valve springs and everything. I had the block. I was about to pull the pistons out, hone it, or ball hone it, get YCP pistons or so. That's pretty much it. Just a little basic build, try to get something. I'm stuck, honestly. I'm really super stuck between the EF sedan and EK hatch. So I want to make that my street car, drag car, and then that's pretty much it. But in other words, now I don't know if I ever talked about it, but my daily, it's just, I don't feel like going outside really. My daily is a 2001 Honda Accord, and there's been some issues with it. It's been sluggy, sometimes right after you drive it, it'll be kind of weird to start up. It just sounds like misfire. Through plugs, ain't nothing. Went through wires, ain't nothing. The rotor, the cap, everything, it ain't none of that stuff. Well, I guess there possibly is getting oil into it, from what I've noticed. There's oil in the bottom of the distributor cap now. So what we're thinking is it's the seals to the distributor that's making it drop oil and getting in there misfiring. Now I've looked up every single issue I'm having. It drives fine. It seems like a little misfire, and then after it gets going, it's going. And the only that's the only thing I can figure out is just the oil being in there, because it does burn some oil. It leaks some of it. There is a lot of oil near the valve cover. Once I get the radiator in, I have to get the automatic radiator. Also get a Walbro 255 to put in it, so it lasts its lifetime. And then a new fill filter, and that thing will be golden. Another thing is Thursday or tomorrow, going over to Josh's house. The Durango ate the water pump. I have to go and swap that out. Also, Robbie's Blazer, that red Blazer that's in the videos, he blew a head gasket finally after yamming on that motherfucker. Sell it or trade it for something. Me and Josh honestly think he should keep it, fix the head gasket, ride it out, try to find another because his is 2-wheel drive. So, and he gets through some good stuff. So we're saying that he should honestly try to find a 4-wheel drive Blazer and swap everything over to that, and just make that the motor. Get a nice little lift on it, lift it up more, and then if the motor blows, just swap it out for an LS or something eventually, and not do anything too crazy. Motor, so what the hell? So might as well do that. I'm gonna continue the rest of this video over at Josh's house tomorrow. So, alright, so here at Josh's house, next day, We're doing the thermostat. I'll talk about it later. Alright, so we're doing the thermostat and the water pump because they both done took a shitteth.
It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Alright, so far we got the water pump off and the thermostat, but the thermostat bolt in the back broke, so right now we're trying to drill that out and then re-tap that. Also got the radiator all the way cleaned out. There's the old water pump. Off-roaded and stuff. It ate all of the like teeth on the bottom and it just corroded all the way inside. This is how it's supposed to be, so yeah. It was just spinning water, no cooling. So, like I was saying earlier, we're retapping this because, you know, broke off in between Mopar. So, there you go. And then we just sanded this down a little bit better. You gotta sand this down still, and then we'll be good to go. Throw the gaskets on there. But we got the radiator in, all the hoses and everything on, and it's been running like 20 minutes now. Thermostat open, bursted and everything, it's running pretty good, running a lot cooler than what it was before. Alright, back from Josh's house, got the water pump, the radiator, everything installed, the new thermostat and all that. Ran pretty good. The only problem that he was having was the battery issue. Going to get a new battery tonight, and then, you know, that'll be solved. But besides that, it was staying a lot cooler. Before, it was like above like 210. Then we put the electric fan on, and then it stuck at like, you know, 210. And then now that we did this, it's like staying at like 170, 180. You know, it's a lot cooler. So should be a lot better, especially when we go out like on the trails or wherever we're going. So I mean, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe for more stuff. This channel is mainly supposed to be building like, you know, street drag stuff, but be patient, that stuff will be happening. I have a couple ideas for a lot of stuff coming up, so thank you so much. Damn Blazer, man. Don't give up on it too soon. Just fix the dang thing.